El Borincano. Monster Records.
All right, everybody. So this is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can what you gotta do. But the first thing for replacing these lights is you gotta take these little things off, right? Pull them out, and you gotta take this completely out. All right, so that's gonna be the first step. Take this completely out. All right, as you can see, it is off. It's gonna get a little funky right here because the camera angle maybe, but as you can see, there's some black screws. There's a couple of them here. You're gonna notice them. So all you gotta do is take them off, and then there's gonna be, I wish I could get it, but okay, you see that brownish color right there? That one's coming off, right? But this right here, that blue one, that stays. That's just when you pull the light, that's gonna stay. It's something that goes clip in there. But the brown one, you wanna, with a plier or something, that one, you wanna like squeeze it to pull the light out, okay? Another one is, you're gonna have two around here, because it's gonna be the license plate light. There's gonna be two, and I think they're not black, so you're able to tell. Yep, they're not black. Let me show you real quick. See right there? You don't take that off. That's for the lights. There's two of them. The little black one, that you take off. All right, so that's next. And of course, sorry, you wanna unplug all this off. All this thing, pull it out. All right, so the screws, the ones I showed you, the black ones, remember, they're 8mm, okay? You're gonna take them off. And as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Okay, took them off. As I told you before, those one right here, you don't have to. That's for this light. See, license plate light. The light is off. Okay, your next step you're gonna do is, this is the original light. This is the aftermarket. You gotta take these things off. You see it? Because that's where the screw goes. So to take them off, you push them off with a plier, maybe even with your hands. No, I don't think so. With a plier or a screwdriver, and then you just pass them on to this one, pass them on, and that's what you do. And then also you pass on the camera. You put the camera on this one. I already took it off from this one. That will be your next step. Then we put the light back in, but we got to connect the cables and all that, of course. That'll be your next step. All right, so I sent the cable. It's gonna be two long cables. They're gonna go each side of the light, and that cable is gonna route all the way down here. Also, I did buy the thing from Mix Store to cover this, so I'll show you at the end how it looks. But since I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, I wanted to do it like OEM, so I went ahead and I put the cable in through that rubber. Now I'm gonna add tape on it again, same as the other side. Didn't want to break nothing through here. It is harder, it takes time. You might want to put a little bit of WD-40 as you're pulling this in. It's very tight, so just an FYI. So that's where we at now. Top light is on. I went and turned it on. I saw it displaying. I saw the reverse. The turn signals are not working. I couldn't see the brake lights because I need somebody else here. But I think the turn signal works with that one when we put the new one, all right? So I didn't tie it all the way down. I'm gonna wait till the end. For this light, there's a black piece that goes right here. As you guys know, this light brought a new one, but this goes there. This just, you snap it off. You use that, you snap it off, then you're gonna have two 8mm, and then it's just like, you gotta pull it out. Once you take those two out, you pull the light out. Yeah, I don't have to take off the bumper. It's just, it'll come out without the thing. And the same for the other side. That's your next step, okay? The cables, I already attached them to the light in there. Remember, there's two long cables on each side. That's probably for the turn signals, okay? The sequential, you make sure you throw them down, and then you'll fix them to go down this way and then down this way, okay? And again, remember how this looks, because I'm gonna show you once I put the thing again from all right, so your next step is going to be to bring this cable all the way in through here, put it in through here, in through out here, right? You got to make a little hole, whatever, because it does connect to the light right here when you put it in. Now, it does bring different adapters. Mixed Store already put the right adapter on my light, so I don't gotta put nothing, but it brings other adapters, I think, for other type of vehicles, maybe a Civic, and it has 2 extra one right there, which I don't need in case you want to put it on something else. I don't know, this only fits a core, unless I'm missing something, but we're gonna see at the end. But it has 2 different adapters, maybe, like I said, maybe for the touring or something weird, but my adapter is here. So now I'm gonna send this cable, put it through in here, hide it, and then connect the lights. I'm gonna do that to both sides, and then we're gonna try to test it. Okay, now as you can see, I'm just pulling this out from here. Snaps up right there. There is that right there that you snap off, that little black piece. This piece that goes there is this, and all you do is you squish it on the side. You squish it, see, both sides, you squish it, and that comes right off. Okay, same on both sides. All right, so normally I like to do honest reviews and all that of my things. Now, mixed stores, they're pretty good about, you know, rectifying the problems. They usually have a tendency of sending you the wrong adapters or not sending it. In my case here, this is the first issue I've had with them, where they didn't send me an adapter, so I had to invent something to try to get the dynamic lights to work. I'm hoping that they will send me the right adapter. I'm just gonna do this temporary. Also, I told them there was a sensor that was acting up, one of the black sensors in the front of my car, sensors that I bought, and they've been okay except for that sensor. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the customer service is, if they send me the sensors or not, all right? But now let's go back to the lights to try to finish this. So the hinge cover, got it at mixed store. So I added it to the light. What I need to get is another thing to put in there. It only comes with one. I don't like that it moves. But now we're gonna check the light and show you what the lights do. Again, I'm sure Miko is gonna send me the right adapter. I just did something there, it's not so safe. So I'm hoping that's just for the time being, so I don't get pulled over or anything. So you'll see how the light works now. Yo, what's up, man? Giving a shout out to my peeps. This be my bracket, yo. Chilling with Monster Record, my man Borincano. Whoa, yeah, boy. This shout out to my girl Wendy out there.
Ese parking es mío. Si me lo quitan, peleamos. Si me lo quitan, peleamos. Ese parking es mío. Si me lo quitan, peleamos. Si me lo quitan, peleamos.
Yeah, mira lo que me pasó. Un día que estaba de vacilón, llegué yo a mi trabajo bien tranquilo y me dijo una muchacha, mire ese bambino.
Pero tranquilo, que ese parking no es de ella, ese parking del vecino.
Pero está bien porque mi pana Luis llegó y me dijo yo, no le pare que está todo. Mira muchacha, muévete del lado. Deja ese muchacho, ese come bacalao de allá de mi pueblo. Está encendido, no joda con él o jode con mi tío. Shout out to my man Angel, dog. My man Borincano, Frank Boogie, Mambrack, Monster Records, yeah.
Yo, dile Mambraque.
Lo sabe Borincano como hago. Yo no vengo aquí con ningún relajo. Ella que me mueva si ella quiere entrar por aquí. Yo vengo